Okay, so let's discuss the next chapter of our course, that is the matrices. So, what is a matrix? So, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers enclosed in brackets. The number of functions are called the entries or elements of the matrix. Okay, so these are examples of matrices. Okay, so dito sa una, this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Whereas sa pangalawa naman, we have a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so concepts and notations. An M by N means a matrix with M rows and N columns. That's why dito sa example kanina, I wrote 2 here, tapos 3 dito, kasi meron tayong dalawang rows and tatlong columns. So that is how you um, assign or how you define a matrix. So M by N means a matrix with M rows and N columns. And M by N is called the size of the matrix. So size ng matrix na to will be 2 by 3 and ito naman is 3 by 3. So rectangular matrix is a matrix that is not a square matrix. So ibig sabihin, okay, this number 1 is an example of a rectangular matrix and number 2 is an example of a square matrix. Ibig sabihin, the definition of a square na they have 4 equal sides, ganyan. So dito naman, equal yung number of columns, equal yung number of elements in this column, and equal yung number of elements sa rows natin. Okay, so that is square matrix and rectangular matrix. Now, equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are equal, written as A is equal to B, if and only if they have the same size and the corresponding entries are equal. Okay? And matrices that are not equal are called different. Thus, matrices of different sizes are always different. So, we cannot say na um, 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. That is not equal. Kasi dapat yung corresponding entries nila is equal din. And they don't have the same size. Okay? So, now let's proceed to operations on matrices. Addition of matrices. The sum of two matrices A and B of the same size is written as A plus B and is obtained by adding the corresponding entries of A and B. So matrices of different sizes cannot be added. Okay, so dapat same size sila. And then you add yung corresponding entries of the matrices. So ganyan. Okay? Dapat kung saan yung position niya, doon din. Same position pag i-add mo, same position i-add mo. Okay? So that is how you add matrices. Now, scalar multiplication naman, the product of any M by N matrix and any scalar number C is written as C A and is obtained by multiplying each element of A by C. So parang dinistribute mo lang si C dito, si scalar number C sa lahat ng elements ng matrix. Okay, so there are certain rules in the addition of matrices. So, rule number 1, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, commutative siya. Since same sizes lang naman siya, so pwede siyang mag-interchange. Now, for this one, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Yung grouping niya is nag-iba, so associative din dito. Then, A plus 0 is equal to A, identity property. A plus negative A is equal to 0. So, pag inad mo yung reciprocal, so magiging 0 talaga. So, A minus A is equal to 0. And then C times A plus B is equal to CA plus CB, distributive. Okay? And scalar number lang naman to. So, you can just distribute. Now, let's have examples. A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 2 by 3 matrix. Since they have the same size, we can proceed to addition. Remember, if they don't have the same size, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-add. Okay? So, A plus B. So, how do we do that? we have, i-add natin yung first element sa first column, and then add natin si second element sa first column, and so on and so forth. So this will be equal to -4 plus 5, and then 0 plus 3, and then 6 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 3, and then 2 plus 0. 3 plus 0, I should say. Anyway, commutative naman siya, so you can do both. So this will be equal to -4 plus 5 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So this is your answer for example letter A. Now for letter B naman, B plus A. So remember yung rule natin that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So we should get the same answer dito sa example letter B. So let's prove kung tama yan. So this will be equal to -4 plus 5. Hindi, B pala yung mauna. So we have 5 minus 4, and then -1 plus 6, and then 0 plus 3, tapos 3 plus 0, 1 plus 1, and then 0 plus 2. Simplifying, this will be equal to 1. -1 plus 6 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 0 plus 2 is 2. Let's check if parehas sila nung nasa example letter A. So 153,322. 153,322. So this rule is true. Okay. Now let's have this one, 2A minus 3B. So si scalar number 2, multiply natin sa elements of A. This is 4, 6, 3, 0, 1, 2. And then minus 3, matrix B, that is equal to 5 minus 1, 0, 3, 1, and 0. So this will be equal to 2 times -4. Tapos 2 times 6, distribute natin si 2. Then 2 times 3, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, and then 2 times 2. And minus, distribute din natin si 3 dito sa matrix. This will be equal to 3 times 5, 3 times -1, 3 times 0, 3 times 3, 3 times 1, and then 3 times 0. So simplifying, this will be equal to -8, then 12, 6, 0, 2, 4, minus 15. That is 15, 3 minus 3 times -1, -3, 0, 9, 3, and then 0. Tapos, isubtract na natin. So, this will be equal to -8 minus 15. Tapos, 12 minus 3, that is positive 3. 12 minus 0, 0 minus 9, 2 minus 3, and then 4 minus 0. So, simplifying, we have -23, 15, 12, -9, -1, and this is 4. So, this is the answer for example letter C. Okay, so that is how you add and subtract matrices. And of course, yeah, matrices. Okay.